once a wandering man, cause I've never felt at home. Now I'm just a gambling man, risking everything I own. The only spirit left in me is from a bottle off the shelf. And all it means is that I can't see a goddamn way to save my soul or self. There's a hole in me, and it's exposed for the world to see. It's what he knows, so I did what he pleased. But I can't be fucked to lose my patience, so I just stay drunk and complacent. I'm a wicked old soul, nowhere left to go, at the beck and call of the man on the radio. Raise a glass for the empty-hearted, too far gonna know when it started. A shark in the cause never shows his hand, and the same still true when you have these claws and fangs. So don't think you can break my walls down. I drank my melanin that I'm sure to drown.
What you sow, but that isn't how this program goes. Cause in the end, all that we want is your soul saved.
Look with that.
I've watched the fall of many people, both the good and the downright evil. But if you think I'm giving up on you, big mistake.
I guess your old man got his dues when all was said and done.
So they say that there's none you have
Seeing
to
all the jumps
fear.
down here, I know I'm not the only one.
Making mistakes, it's a part
So
of
you
how
got a
we
plan,
live.
spit it out, go and try to get me clean.